yanzu harkan bayanin da muna so biskan cihin nan ne muna so mu sani ne da cihin nan daga cikin wannan garin da ana kawo su
akwai namu nan difa da nan cikin kasatawa amma ƙetare ana hitowa da shi mali ana hitowa da shi najeriya kenan ko kaga dole na sai ya yi tsada tun daga kuɗin mota ga kuɗin abin ga duwan da ake yin kenan kaga dole na sai ya yi tsada kihi tun da kilon kihi yanzu kaga dai 900 yake kaftan inda ya kaftan ka kaso kilo 900
na 4,500
in kuma ana son gigiri ko fatafaro waɗannan jika uku ne mun yi kusan wata dai ko mu gane ijin ba mu gani kuma ana tambayar mu shi amma babu shi insha Allah.
To yanzu mu muna so mu shiga cikin harkan cihin nan da muna so mu kawo daga nyamai ne muna yin shi yanzu muna nan ga nema hal in mun kawo shi kuna iya
mun hida son a kawo mana irin waɗannan ko kilo 1000 muna iya aiki da ka gani shi na da matsala da yawa kaga akwai zahin mutuwa gare shi.
J'ai fait 5 ans d'études universitaires, plus précisément dans le droit public et la gestion des ressources humaines, où j'ai obtenu une maîtrise en droit public, une licence en gestion des ressources humaines et un master toujours en gestion des ressources humaines. Après mes études, j'étais parti faire des stages, de stage en stage. J'arrive toujours pas à décrocher de boulot. J'ai commencé à me décourager. Je me suis dit, pourquoi ne pas entreprendre? Je regardais les vidéos de différents pays sur leur ferme piscicole. Je voyais comment on élevait, on donnait la nourriture aux poissons.
Centre de pisciculture forane de Pogati. Ici, c'est quand on veut faire l'échantillonnage.
son wani donc idée wani kan ai fun formation wodo ai kagor déjà ai projet ngonu de pisciculture nous femmes donc boy man sintin donc ai dikan son bakodin bakogoti wakara danga ba sen ne quoi nous femmes mais ça c'est en bâche il va il gurien no il va suspendre ada une femme
c'est qui ça
voilà d'ailleurs même il a invité mboda noir mukame comme ça aranga gay ma monter wadin gana rang digo mboda voilà
croissance on a été là
bon une croissance ça se fait dans l'intervalle de 5 à 6 mois à lever mâle géniteur mâle faut pour 3 géniteurs femelles. Chaque fois, je me disais, pourquoi étudier pendant tout ce temps, chercher à faire des filières différentes et finalement, on ne m'appelle plus, à plus forte raison de trouver un boulot. Ou on m'appelle pour me dire de venir passer un entretien d'embauche.
Je me suis vraiment découragé à un point où je me disais, est-ce que je vais trouver un boulot un jour? J'étais là, je me sentais gêné, même dans la famille. Je voyais la maman qui se stressait. Ah, quand est-ce que lui, il va trouver un boulot pour pouvoir se marier, pour que je puisse voir mes petits-enfants? C'était vraiment triste.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
متى كني؟
بعد سنة متى جاها؟ الحمد لله.
ما شاء الله. ما شاء الله. وأجي كادين نون كنا. يا فكارة دين أي formation élevé كلمته نكان يجينيرا jusqu'à ce que on puisse.
وعندنا est-ce que hal nidika agihingate newo? Agihingate ne windora.
Ko gingate ne windora.
Aha, to.
Parce que mon tibé phone.
OK.
Voilà, il y a un phone.
Aha.
Regarde bas au niveau du garage ou bien sous la dalle. Donc il regarde dans.
Protection.
Voilà, bonne protection si exposé.
Dans un cas c'est ça. Oh.
Voilà.
OK. Ko tala mu konde iferu ko me yadda. Il ko mata. Ko mata.
Da to miliya gane o kula bana ko jan ko shono ni jan ano ce bukar nika wa alaikum salam
sabuka
ndi ba shi wani argo monte ko
yau kama ji dole ka ga riza ni ji wani subir mu ajira su
nemza zamani ga kan da ma bis fona yin kun bon afa maganda donc woni o dina en boîte aran ga sire ken no dino woni sintin wat kan ni gogo hawo ni gogo dum moyen ni gege da afo yinki yenza tout dépend da nongo kongo c'est kan ni ngate voilà espace au Congo ici ça va un bon résultat et ça va permettre aussi à ce que les poissons puissent circuler librement. Voilà.
Souvent même, je n'arrivais même pas à sortir de ma chambre pour que je puisse croiser le regard de mes parents. Parce que, vu le sacrifice qu'ils ont fait pour moi, ils s'efforçaient de ne pas s'offrir des choses qu'ils veulent vraiment, juste pour me faire plaisir, pour que je puisse vraiment prendre mes études au sérieux. Wani 4,5 donc di wasu conditionnement mo yakini gate di go ne borase di ni dan borase le dara imi dara oxygène kana ni ma hau kilo na ran go gane di borase na kilo fo kulu di ko ise ni mari yikin
da kila yi ne
2500 3000 carpo no ara inganda tilapia ni to haiwa fa lero fa o kan ti deso haborano borekan bara wala
dai bi bai agwana burwat ki borai
Ida sabka handala so digna from and follow so dig.
Sai no boy bondi banga tabako ne. Yega ba ni su ko. Wani zangun da wai guno go ne.
Ne wala.
Oh, en gam to zangun.
Tu vas me suivre, tu verses pas, tu mets, tu vas jusqu'en bas. Voilà. Donc, maintenant, laisse-moi. Voilà, laisse. La même chose.
Bon, pour le moment, on ne peut pas le savoir, mais...
Bien sûr.
Aujourd'hui, mon rêve, c'est de pouvoir créer ma propre ferme piscicole. Qu'on dise, ah, voilà la ferme de Abdelmajid Amadou, et de pouvoir vraiment donner plus d'emplois aux jeunes frères du quartier, de la famille. Rendre fiers mes parents. Ils ont vraiment pris patience à pouvoir me voir aujourd'hui réussir.
I have been on the throne for over 20 years. I studied in England and America and came back 38 years ago. When I became the Omu, I met only 5 elderly women, and they told me that it's going into extinction. The beauty that is Africa is that our forefathers, 822 years ago, set up a throne for a woman. That the woman will have her palace and her chiefs and attendants, and the woman will be the spiritual guide. Is it not unique? 822 years ago, yet it's only 100 years ago that the Western world started women inclusion. What truncated the development of women in Africa, in Nigeria, Igbo land, and Anioma is the coming of the Europeans. The Europeans came with their ideology and told our people that ours is bad. And so our people did wholesale acceptance of foreign ideas. Our forefathers saw women as complementary, meaning that our forefathers were women-friendly. In their wisdom, the wise old men set up this institution and said that in every Anioma community, there has to be a traditional ruler who is in charge of men, male youths, and the land. There has to be an Omu who is the mother. She's in charge of women, female youths, and the custodian of the market. More importantly, our forefathers gave the spiritual guidance of the community to the Omu, and we sought to find out why did our forefathers do that. And research showed again that our forefathers felt that a man reasons in a straitjacket form, and a woman reasons in multiple ways. Anyị amajiji ifele, anyị Nigeria amajiji ifele, anyị Edo State amajiji ifele, anyị Delta State amajiji ifele, anyị Igbo niile amajiji ifele, anyị Ọma niile amajiji ifele, anyị Ọgbana ma. The Omu at the point of coronation is bestowed male rights. She becomes a man and a woman put together. That's why you hold the elephant tusk. Ordinarily, a woman does not hold elephant tusk. That's where you wear the red cap. That's where you have the feathers, which no other woman wears except the Omu, because now as the Omu, they have bestowed you male rights. Ani menye ofuma ani onye bia ko wanyali ka anyi wanyala ani anyi bia ndozi ka anyi bia anya bia hom bibi. Onye dozi ani ani edozi e. Anyi bu ndi Omu anyi bia ga edozi ani ka ani dozi anyi. Obodo ni na anyi si bia ko dozi anyi. Sincerely speaking, when you become the Omu, you don't have friends anymore. You don't have family anymore, because your family, first of all, leaves you because of the nature of the institution. People are afraid of the institution. For example, when I became the Omu, some were genuinely worried because of the intricacies and the spiritual angle. Some were convinced that in 9 months I would die because I might not be able to keep to the rules of tendering to the shrines, of the do's and the don'ts. Some said she's too Western. The same people are saying now she's too conservative, right? Yeah, but now you see it. The kola nut is 4, and the native week is 4 days. You see it? There are 2 kola nuts here. You see that? It's 4. This is female. This is male. This is twins. So there are 3 males here and twins. Isn't that wonderful? Ogadilo no anyemma. Animba ani bonyo shi ani weloji. Nwanna ani weloji. Ani Ọma weloji, ani Igbo niile weloji. Ani Ọgbana. So there are a lot of challenges. One is the fact that Omos are not paid. Our forefathers kept the markets for the Omu to get her livelihood. But the local governments are in the market collecting revenue. So who will feed the Omu? Who will clothe her? Who will take care of her when she's sick? The palace you're seeing is my personal property. And that was because for 38 years I came back, I was in business. If you look at the photograph there, that will show you parts of what my life was like. I explored my life in Nigeria. I explored my life in England. I explored my life in America. I lived life to the fullest. In traditional worship, we make the door to be low so that you must bend to God. Human beings are too arrogant. That's why we make the door to be low. I am a queen of the water, ordained in the water. I went to the water to perform the rites. That's why I have this temple. This side is the waters of Anioma, the spirit of Anioma nation. These are the waters of Anioma, the representation of the water of Anioma. On the left-hand side is the waters of Edo State, because when I became Omo, I was in Edo State. So we are calling on the spirit of the water. Mode Anioma, Milidi Anioma, Milidi Aniobio, Milidi Aniobosh, Milidi Aniobanam, Milidi Anibini. 70% of the Omo's work is spiritual. 10% is to look after women, 10% is to look after the markets, another 10% is to settle issues. Example, in my community, over 10 years ago, everywhere was burning. Houses were burnt, 3 people were killed, and the men could not handle it. And the traditional ruler called me and said, "Can you bring a woman's touch to it?" And I did. And I separated all the villages, the boundaries causing issue. Today, no village is fighting the other because of boundary. When you fight light, what do you get? The light remains where it is. It is the darkness that will go round and come back to light. There is nothing to fight, because every day I'm in the temple, I'm busy praying to God and the ancestors. I must do it the way God Almighty wants me to do it, the way our ancestors want me to do it. I can't be gagged by anyone. I cannot be trampled upon. But I will say there was a point where I was seriously challenged that I started thinking of the impossible. The impossible is leaving the throne. But not that I regret ever becoming the... How can you regret when God gives you an assignment? You can't regret it. In fact, it's abomination to regret. It's a sin because God will even punish you. This institution is 822 years old, and nobody knew about the institution until I came on board. And for me, as the Omo, what I have tried to do is to fuse the good of the old and the good of the new for what will definitely come, a bright new day.